If you've been selling on eBay for a while and are interested in opening more eBay stores, this video will show you how to create multiple accounts on eBay and guide you through the process by integrating your eBay stores with the software covered in my videos. As a refresher, the software I use for Amazon and eBay dropshipping are Yaballe for item listing and monitoring, Arbiship for auto ordering, and Trackerbot for tracking conversion and upload. Let's begin. Creating multiple eBay accounts is simple. The process is exactly the same as creating your original eBay account. You can use the same exact information for all of your eBay accounts. I know what you're thinking, but won't my accounts be linked? Yes, and that's okay. eBay allows you to have multiple accounts under the same name, and this shouldn't be a problem for you unless you're a bad seller. As I've stated before in my videos, dropshipping requires some effort on your part. You need to make sure your account is in good standing, so that means keeping your seller level at above standard. It's really not that hard to do, so if you can't do that, then dropshipping on eBay isn't for you. What if one of my accounts gets flagged for dropshipping? Will my other accounts be affected? Probably, but as I've mentioned before, the dropshipping flag doesn't matter. All 3 of my accounts have been flagged for dropshipping, and it hasn't affected my sales at all in the long run. Initially, you might experience a decrease in sales, but if you follow my strategies, your sales will be back to normal in no time. Will eBay shut down my accounts for dropshipping? No, eBay won't shut down your account just for dropshipping. If they shut down your account, it's probably because of other reasons, like your account falling to below standard for a sustained period of time. All in all, if you're really worried about your accounts being linked, you can create another eBay account using different information. But my point here is that you don't have to go through the trouble of using different information to create multiple accounts. You can just use the same information as long as you are a good seller. Now that we got that out of the way, here's a quick walkthrough from my eBay account setup tutorial of how to create an eBay account. The first step is to create an eBay account. And you're going to want to sign up for a business account because having a business account will allow you to list and sell more items. You can also start with a personal account and switch it to a business account later if you want. Please note that you don't actually need a real business to create a business account. You can just make up a business name here and fill in the rest of the information and click Create Account. Next, verify your email address. Then create a username. Now you should be at this page where it asks if you operate your business as a legal entity. If the answer is yes, select your legal entity among these options. If the answer is no, which is probably the case, select the second option. Now you need to add your real information here and click Continue. Next, you need to add your bank account. And finally, review and confirm your information. Congratulations, you've created an eBay account. If you want to learn more about how to set up your eBay account correctly for dropshipping, please watch the rest of my eBay account setup tutorial found on my YouTube channel. I've also included a link to the video below. After you create a new eBay account, you will need to create another Yaballe account and link your new eBay account to your new Yaballe account. Once that's done, go to the settings page of your original Yaballe account and click on Accounts. Click on Additional Connected Yaballe Accounts, and then Link Yaballe Account. Type in the email and password of the new Yaballe account you created, and then click OK. Now your Yaballe accounts should be linked together. If you don't want item duplications between eBay accounts, you can uncheck this box. But I actually leave this box checked because some items may not sell on one store, but may sell on another. By linking your Yaballe accounts, you can share your plan and save some money on monthly subscription fees. If you want to toggle between accounts, just hover over your email and a drop-down menu should appear with your accounts. Keep in mind that each account has its own settings, so you need to set up your settings again for each new Yaballe account. Next, you will need to create another Arbiship account and connect your new eBay account to your new Arbiship account. To link your Arbiship accounts, just click on the plus symbol and type in the email and password of your other Arbiship account, and then click on Add Account. Now your Arbiship accounts should be linked, and you can toggle between accounts by clicking on your name. You can also transfer credits between accounts by messaging chat. Keep in mind that each account has its own settings, so you will need to set up your settings again for each new Arbiship account. And finally, for Trackerbot, you don't need to create a new account at all. Just go to your existing Trackerbot account and click on Accounts under Profile, and then click on Add eBay to add your new eBay account to Trackerbot. You may, however, need to adjust your eBay settings and your messaging settings for your new eBay account. That's pretty much it. If you need a refresher on how to set up the correct settings for each of these 3 software, you can rewatch my account setup tutorials. I've included the links for each down below. If you found this content useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to get started with dropshipping, please consider using my referral links below. Thank you so much for your support.